Hey guys, so welcome to the Coder Bhaiya channel, and from today onwards I want to teach you Java programming language. We are going from English language, we are going to English language, we are using Hindi and English both in this course, and we are from basic to advanced we are doing this course so that you guys can understand, आप लोग समझ सके इस कोर्स को जावा प्रोग्रामिंग को कि हाउ जावा works, how the programs in Java run, and these things. What is JDK? How what is JRE? And these things we are going to learn in this course, and we are going to learn multi-threading and complete Java courses. We are going to learn in this video. So uh, uh, let's gonna start the video. So as you can see, this is why we are using Java. So basically I will talk about the features of Java. Like Java is a very first, like you can see here, simple. So जावा बहुत ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज है, इजी टू लर्न है, सो इसे हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. क्लीन एंड इजी अंडरस्टैंडेबल कोड है. फर्स्ट फीचर जावा का ये है. सेकंड फीचर अगर हम देखें तो ये एक ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग है, जिससे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, जिससे हम like we are representing an object in the real world, like motorcycle. We are representing by it as an object. So object oriented programming has a classes and objects. So this line is saying only this: Java is a object oriented and it supports all the OOPS characters, and this makes Java application easy to develop and maintenance. So compare to structured programming language. So, and the third and main point is Java is portable and platform independent. As you can see, we can code we sorry Java source code is compiled and converted into bytecode first. If we like I am a write I write Java code. I write Java code, and the Java code I converted into bytecode, and I can run on any platform like mobile phone and laptop or any other device. I can easily run anywhere. So this system is called Vora. Write once and run anywhere. So Java is basically platform independent, so that's why it called Vora. And fourth one feature is secure. Java provides its implicit component side JVM in the form of security manager. So it provides security manager also, so that any malware or any virus Java protects from these things. And the fifth one thing is robust. So robust means strong. Java is a strong programming language. And the last one feature is multi-threaded language. So Java supports multi-threading to enhance performance. By using this, you can see here, we can execute multiple functionalities simultaneously. So we can use multiple functionalities, like you are seeing the multitasking feature, recording, and I am teaching you simultaneously. So this is a like multitasking, but multi-threading and multitasking is same. So first of all, uh, in this video I want to tell you how to install JDK and IntelliJ ID, so to easy to code, for easy to code, so that you can easily code in this is IntelliJ idea, as you can see. So I'm sharing the screen of IntelliJ idea. Okay, so as you can see, first you go to the Google and just type JDK download. So you are come on the Oracle site and see there are multiple for Windows. You can see you can download X X64 installer according to your laptop or PC. You can download from here. Just go for the oracle.com JDK. I'm already installed this program, as you can see here, JDK 18 Windows 64 bin. For installing this, you can just double click on it and it will install automatically. You can just click on next, and it will. I will doing no here because I am already installed this. And for IntelliJ idea, you can type IntelliJ idea download, and you can go for this community version because this is free. For this time, free version is sufficient. Later you can move on to the ultimate version, because I think there is no need of ultimate version, because later on you are basically do backends in Java, so you can use STS also. बेसिकली यू मे बी आप लोगों को इतने बड़े बड़े टर्म्स समझ में नहीं आ रहे हो, लेकिन later on you will understand easily these terms. So just download from here, and you can see your you can see in downloads this type of folder is here. So just double click on it also, and there are multiple things doings. Just click next, next, next. So you can, I will doing no because I am already installing this. Cancel this, and are you sure you want to quit the IntelliJ IDEA Community Startup Edition? Yes, yes, good. So I hope you understand how to download and how to set up our Java machine in your laptops. So for now, I think this is sufficient for this video. From the In the next video, we are going. I'm going to teach you about Java, about which topic we are covering in this course, as well as we are doing a simple program also, hello world program. So I think this is sufficient. So thank you guys, and subscribe to my channel if you are like this video.